Hello and welcome back to this course. Today in this video we will discuss about the two classes of the file handling hierarchy. One is the ObjectInputStream class and second is the ObjectOutputStream class. So you can see in the hierarchy that ObjectInputStream is the child class of the input stream and ObjectOutputStream is the child class of the output stream class. So let's see what are the two classes in java.io package. So first of all, ObjectOutputStream class. This class writes primitive data types and Java objects to an output stream. This object can be read using the object input stream. So this class helps us to write primitive data types as well as the Java objects to the output stream. And we can read this data using the object input stream. So the object input stream class deserializes primitive data and objects previously written using our object output stream class. If we want to read that data, we use the object input stream class, and this class extends the input stream class. We know that. So without wasting our time, let's write a code in our NetBeans about the object input stream and the object output stream in our NetBeans. So first of all, here in NetBeans, I first of all create a class. So I type here class and I type here person, and in this class I am going to create a public string name and public int age. Okay, and I go to the main method, and in this method I first of all write here object output stream, and I type here obj equals to new object output stream, and in the constructor I type here new file output stream, and in here I pass the URL, this one. Okay, and I import these classes in my program. I also throw the file not found exception. Okay, also the IO exception. Okay, after that I just type here person equals to new person, and I type here person dot name equals to, I type here my name, and person dot age equals to 21. Okay, and after that I type here obj dot write object, and I type here person. Okay, after that I type here obj dot close. Okay, so when I run this program, there's some exception. So not serializable exception. So what I do, I just implements the serializable. Okay, so now if I run my program, you will see nothing, but when I go to my folder and open the file, you can see some data is written in the file which we cannot understand. So I'm going to use the other class here, which is the object input stream. So I just type here object input stream, and I import the object input stream class, and I type here obj1 equals to new object input stream, and in the constructor I type here new file input stream, and in the constructor I type this URL. Okay, and I import the file input stream class. Okay, after that I just type here person, and I type here p equals to, and I type here obj1 dot read object, because I have write the object, so I have to read the object also. You can see here object cannot be connected to person, so what I do, I just typecast it with the person. Okay, also I throw the class not found exception. Okay, after that I just close the uh, stream, so I type here obj1 dot close. Okay, and after that I simply print system dot out dot println, and I type here p dot name and system dot out dot println p dot age. Okay, so now if I run my program, you will see Ghulam Abbas and 21 is printed successfully on this screen. So this class helps us to write primitive data types as well as the objects in the file. We know that we can easily write the primitive data type, so that's why I have created a program that write a complete object in the file. So if I some new type of data here like person 2 equals to new person, and I type here person 2 dot name name equals to, I type here Bob, and person 2 dot age equals to 40. Okay, I also write here obj dot write object, and I type here person 2. Okay, also here I type person p1 equals to person, and I type here obj dot read object. Okay, so you can see the result. Ghulam Abbas 21 and Bob 40 is printed on the screen. In this way we have write the two objects in the file. One is this one and one is this one. So in this way we can also write the complete object in the file. You can see I have write the two objects, two data of the persons in the file, and I have read the same data from the file using the ObjectInputStream class. So I hope that you understand. Anyhow, if you feel any problem by understanding these classes of the file handling, you can definitely ask me a question. I am always here to help you. So that's it for this video. I will see you in next video.